Hello everyone. Today is the Prairie Running Day. So we have 4, 5, 60 and 4, 5, 8, 9 running. And then here goes the first train, which is 4, 5, 60. With an auto coach on the back, and this will be doing a push-pull set. I'm using this set and it'll just keep swapping round all the time. But here it comes back into the station. One coach out. There it comes back. Here goes the Prairie. 4, 5, 8, 9. GWR. The auto coach on the back. I'm coming backwards. We're pushing the train. The auto coach on the front. And the Prairie on the back. Comes the Prairie. This last single run. He'll be running one more time after this, and then it'll be the double header. Here comes 4, 5, 60 onto the train. Here goes 4, 5, 60 on its last run. Well, last run on its own before the double header. Oh, lovely. And yes, it has turned. I turned it on my imaginary turntable. Yes, turning thing on an imaginary turntable is a thing. That's what I did to this. Here it goes. Why is it stopping? Ugh. Here it goes in its final run on its own for the double header. Here it comes. Here goes the double header to end the gala. Or the running day, I mean. 3 cones train instead of 4. Here it comes back into the station, the double header, looking magnificent with the auto coach on the ends. Magnificent. Well, that'll be the end of this running day, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, as it just goes off to the siding. I'm going to do a YouTube short.